Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other best website to pay you Bitcoin instantly, and this website is very wonderful. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and click bell notification to all time and notified if I put a video on YouTube. Okay, let's get started. This one is the website. This website link in description. Click the link. I'm here and register yourself. Registration is very easy. First I show you the registration. I click logout. I log out my account, then I come here. In here you found registration. Click register. You can fill the whole form. You can be registered in this website. Okay, this one is registration full. Username, email, Bitcoin wallet address from your wallet address like FaucetPay. Come here, paste in here your password, fill the capture, click submit. You can be registered in this field. Okay, and now I'm going to log in because I register myself. This is the very best website. You can make much more of Bitcoin from this website. This website pay you instantly, and just you watch advertisement and all these things like Faucet BTC is hot. It's new. You can click and you can come here. Wait a minute, and this is the BTC. Every 5 minutes you come here and claim. Okay, this is the BTC. This is the Faucet from this website, or you can go back. You can claim with another trick too. Go back. And this is the Faucet website from this website. Okay, if you want to claim with that, you can go on. If you want to earn Bitcoin, click earn Bitcoin. This one is allow you to complete 4 of a link. If you complete 4 of a link, you can claim, and you can go view hats on surfing hats on short links like I go to view hats. Okay, this website allow me to watch advertisement, then pay me. Okay, watch this website for 10 seconds, pay you 4 Satoshi. Just click this one, and the timer is on in this page. Okay, wait a second. Okay, this is the timer is going. I wait 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, show me the capture, fill the capture, click submit, and this website pay you 4 Satoshi. Okay, right now see I fill the capture, click submit, and wait a second to pay you that Satoshi that told you. Okay, now you can see this one pay me 4 Satoshi. Okay, I close it, and this one is idle, like idle, and now I can click another one. This one is watching for 10 seconds. This all is advertisement. You watch this all and you can earn much more cryptocurrency, and I show you with another way you can watch more. This is just one part. This is another things, lot 3 surfing has, view has, short links. You can watch all these 3, and you can go to Faucet. You can claim Faucet. Okay, this is all Faucet list. You can watch the all Faucet list. You can make much more from that. Okay, now I go to my account to show you I earn 4 Satoshi. Yes, I have 4 Satoshi. Okay, Now I want to withdraw in my wallet. How I can withdraw? Just click this one. This one told me the minimum withdrawal is 10 satoshi. If I reach the 10 satoshi, they pay me in my Bitcoin wallet address. It is a Faucet wallet address. Okay, now I want to earn 10 satoshi, then I come back. Okay guys, and now you see I have this satoshi. I click withdrawal. Okay, for withdrawal. Okay, wait a minute to reload the page. Okay, I click withdraw. This one told me which I choose FaucetPay because this is my Bitcoin wallet address. Okay, this one is Satoshi. Just click password, click submit, and just wait a second. Okay, this one told me we sent you your Faucet. Just I go to my FaucetPay account to check this website pay me or not. Okay, just click dashboard. Okay, now you can see this website pay me 11 satoshi. Okay, this website is very wonderful. You can click this one and you can earn much more. Okay, thanks for watching guys. This website link in description. Click the link and come here, register yourself and start making much cryptocurrency. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel too, and bye bye.